Ever bombed a case pitch so hard the room went silent? Heart racing, ego bruised, thinking I'm done? That's not failure. That's your wake up call. I'm Cam Welsh, Emeritus Prof at the Haskayne School of Business with 20 years coaching 302 teams to 180 plus podium finishes. And here's the pointed truth. Most young pros stay stuck because they dodge the real feedback that you're here to build the mad skills that crush it. Communication that commands, creativity that disrupts, critical thinking that wins. This isn't theory, it's battle tested. Discover Your Mad Skills Masterclasses hand you the toolkit. Step-by-step frameworks, step-by-step frameworks to nail presentation skills that hook any room. Slide decks that don't bore, they dominate. Communication tactics, cut the noise, land the point. Finance for cases demystified, no jargon. Excel hacks, turn data chaos into decision gold. And for your grind, lightning 2-minute discovery clinics, quick blasts on adaptability under fire, empathy that builds unbreakable teams, originality that sparks breakthroughs. Co-founded by Samie Ly at Innovatank, fueled by my zoologist to MBA scars and a global mentor crew, real talk only, brutal candor on what flops, honest breakdowns to rebuild sharper. We've turned raw recruits into podium crushers. Now it's your turn. From Calgary case trenches to boardrooms worldwide, this is the edge employers crave and the one that gets you hired, promoted, unstoppable. No fluff, just pointed improvement, focus, fire to level up your game. Subscribe now, hit the bell, drop into the first masterclass today. Unlock the mad skills that make you undeniable. You've got the potential. Let's make you podium ready.